Hello, students. Welcome to the straight line part 1. Here we learn some terminology of two-dimensional because this coordinate geometry is two-dimensional coordinate geometry. So first is inclination. So what is inclination? Suppose this is x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So suppose this straight line is there, then this angle or maybe this angle called inclination. So it's not about only x-axis. It can be y-axis also. So this angle or this angle will be called inclination with inclination with y-axis. So which angle you will take? It will clearly given in the question. Or if it is not given, then you take from the positive direction or anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So what is the anti-clockwise? This is the anti-clockwise direction. This is also anti-clockwise direction. From y-axis, it is anti-clockwise direction. So nothing is given, then you take anti-clockwise direction from x-axis or y-axis, whatever it is given. So this is the inclination. What is the slope? Slope tangent of uh, tangent of angle made with positive x-axis. So this is, suppose this is theta, then slope m will be tan theta. This may be positive or negative. Positive for acute angle and negative for obtuse angle. So this line is positive slope and this line is having negative slope because it's a obtuse angle. So suppose one line is there. Suppose this line is there. You are having 2 points here or here. So this point is x1 by 1. This is x2 by 2. So this angle is, suppose this angle is theta. So you just making this angle will be also theta. So tan theta by will be this distance. This distance means by 2 minus by 1. And this distance is x2 minus x1. So tan theta will be by 2 minus by 1 x2 minus x1 or y1 minus by 2 by x1 minus x2, because if you take it negative then it will get cancelled. So both. So this way you can find the slope. But what about the parallel? Suppose here, if x-axis, what is the x-axis slope? Since 0 and degree angle, 0 theta is equal to 0. So slope will be also 0. Tan 0 is 0. So what is the parallel, anything parallel to x-axis? So parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. So this slope is equal to 0. One thing you see, there are 2 points you take. So y coordinate will be always same. Suppose this is alpha, this is y, this is alpha, this is something alpha 1, and this is y, beta. This is beta. So if y coordinate of any any two points on line is same, it will be parallel to a parallel to x-axis, and slope will be 0. And if y coordinate is 0, then it's a x-axis. X-axis. Now come to the second point. Second point, slope of y-axis. Slope of y-axis. Slope y-axis is, this is 90 degree. So tan 90 is undefined. Infinitive, undefined. So any 2 point, if you see the here 2 point, then x coordinate, if x coordinate of any 2 point on the line is same, then line will be parallel to to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. And if x is equal to 0, then it will be yx. Now come to the intercept. So suppose this line and this is line. So this will be y-intercept, y-intercept, intercept. If y-intercept is b, then this coordinate will be 0, b. And this is a, then x-intercept is, this is x-intercept, intercept. And this coordinate will be a, 0. Suppose this line is there. So this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. Suppose this line is there, then this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. Suppose this line is there, this is y-intercept, and this is x-intercept. So intercept may be negative or positive. Now come to the theorem number 1. If non-vertical line M1 or M2 are perpendicular, suppose this line is perpendicular to each other. So this is alpha, this suppose beta, and this is 90 degree. So beta minus alpha is equal to 90 degree. So how we'll find the relationship? So relationship you can find tan beta is equal to 90 degree minus alpha. Then tan beta is equal to tan, sorry, beta minus alpha, tan 90 degree plus alpha. So tan beta is equal to minus cot alpha. So that is equal to tan alpha into tan beta is equal to -1, because cot alpha is equal to 1 by tan alpha. So this is M1, this is nothing but M1, this is nothing but M2. So it's got proved. So two lines perpendicular to each other, then their slope, multiplication of their slope will be equal to -1. Now come to the theorem number 2. So if two lines are parallel to each other, two lines are parallel to each other. So this angle and this angle will be equal. So this angle and this angle will be equal because this line parallel. So slope M1 is equal to M2. So if the slope of two lines are equal, then means two lines are parallel to each other. Now come to the theorem 3. If theta is acute angle between two lines, suppose this is theta, then suppose this is alpha, this is beta, then beta minus alpha is equal to tan theta. So tan beta minus is equal to tan theta. So tan beta minus tan alpha divided by tan 1 minus 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta is equal to tan theta. How? Because you may you already read or you will be reading that tan alpha minus beta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So this will be m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 plus m2 m1 into m2. So suppose alpha beta is smaller than alpha, then it will be negative. So acute angle cannot be negative. So what we'll do? We'll take mod of this. Itna is equal to tan theta. Because if this is acute, then this angle will be obtuse. So actually angle between two lines are one acute and one is obtuse. So negative will give you the value of obtuse angle and positive will give you the value of acute angle. So angle between the lines is tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. That you remember. And if it is coming negative, then you take mod of this, then it will be positive. So it will give the value of acute angle. Now come to the solving some question. Inclination is 60 degree, nothing is given. That means it is making 60 degree with x-axis. So that is tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Then slope will be root 3. Root 3 is the answer. Find the slope of the line which passes through 2 points. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So slope will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to 7 minus 4 divided by 5 minus 2. So that is 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Then slope is 1. And inclination definitely 45 degree. So it is not asking is inclination. Find the slope of the line which passes through the origin and the points 4, minus 4, 4. So this is origin and this is minus 4 and 4. So this angle tangent of this will be 4, 4. See, this is minus 4 comma 4. So this, suppose this one you take x1 by 1, this is take x2 by 2. So by 2 means 4 minus 0 divided by minus 4 minus 0. That is equal to minus 1. This obtuse angle, the minus 1 is connected. So angle, what will be the angle? 135 degree. It is asking slope, so slope is minus 1. This is the answer. Now come to the next question. So that AB is perpendicular to line BC. So suppose A is 1, 2, B is 2, 4, and C is A, B, C is 0, 5. So this was M1 and this slope of this will be M2, and M1, M2 we have to prove, then we have to prove M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1 as per the theorem. So find M1. So M1 is equal to 4 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1, and that is equal to 2 divided by 1, that means 2. M2, M2, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 and 0 minus 2. So that is equal to 1 by minus 2. So M1 into M2 is equal to 2 into 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Hence AB is perpendicular to BC. Proved. Now come to the question number 5. 5. A, B, C are vertices of triangle. Find the slope of the altitude drawn from the A. So this is A is A is 1, 2 because drawn from the A, and B is 2, 3, and C is minus 2, 5. So this is, find the slope of the altitude drawn from the A. So this is perpendicular to this. So slope B, if we find the slope of this, then we can find the slope of this also. Suppose this is M1 and this is M2, then M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1, then M2 is equal to minus 1 by M1. So find M1. M1 is equal to C, 2 and 5. So 5 minus 5 minus 3 and minus 2 minus 2 equal to 2 divided by minus 4. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So M2 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 2. The slope of M2 altitude from this is 2. Now come to the next question. Acute angle between the line having slope M1 and M2 is given. M1 is equal to 3, M2 is equal to minus 2. So angle between the tan theta is equal to 3 minus of minus 2 divided by 1 minus 3 into minus 2. So that is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2 are divided by 1. This is plus, no? This is plus 1 minus 6. So this is equal to 5 by minus 5. That is equal to minus 1. So mod of this one is 1. So angle tan theta is equal to 1, then theta is equal to 5 by 4. This is the answer. This is asking angle. So this is the angle. Now come to the question number 7. If angle between the two lines is 45 degree and slope of one is half, then find the slope of other. So tan 45 degree is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is equal to m1, suppose m1 is half, minus m2 divided by 1 minus half into m2 plus, this is equal to 1. So this may be negative or positive also. So we'll take case 1. When it is positive, then it is positive, then 1 is equal to half minus m2 divided by 1 plus m2 by 2. So 1 plus m2 by 2 is equal to half minus m2. So this you take this side, then this side, then it will be m2 plus m2 by 2 is equal to half minus 1 is equal to minus half. So 3 by 2 m2 is equal to minus half. 2 to get cancelled. So m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So slope of line is minus 1 by 3. Now take case 2 when this one is negative. So 1 minus of half minus m2 divided by 1 plus half m2. So this will get cancelled. 1 plus half m2 is equal to minus half plus m2. So this go here, then 1 not plus half is 3 by 2, and 1 m2 minus half is equal to m2 by 2. So m2 is equal to 3. So do case. This one is obtuse angle, this is acute angle. Thank you. Then we'll meet in second part.